Are you tired of false promises from affiliate marketing experts? In this video, I reveal a proven, easy-to-follow method to start making real money through affiliate marketing. It's a free course covering all you need to know in 6 simple steps. So, let's get started with step 1. The first step is to understand the strategy and how it works. To do that, let's take a look at this YouTube channel. This channel has only 49 videos, but it has almost 900,000 subscribers. How is that possible? Because it showcases top Amazon products for various needs. By promoting these products as an affiliate, the channel earns a commission whenever someone makes a purchase through the link in the description. The amazing part is that all the videos have more than 1 million views. Look at this: 55 million views, 53 million views, 32 million views. These are huge numbers, and they mean huge earning potential. Let's break down the potential earnings for this channel from one video as an example. Imagine the channel owner reviews a $100 product on Amazon. How many viewers do you think clicked on the link and made a purchase? Let's do some basic math. Let's assume that 10% of the viewers clicked on the link from the popular 55 million view video. That's 5.5 million people who visited the product page on Amazon. However, not everyone who clicks will buy the product. So, let's say only 2% of those visitors actually made a purchase. That totals to 110,000 people who bought the product. Now, here's the exciting part. With the channel owner earning a 5% commission on each sale, we're looking at a potential income of, drumroll please, $550,000. Yes, that's right, $500,000 from just one video. Isn't that amazing? And that's just one example. Imagine how much money this channel can make from all the videos combined. This is the power of affiliate marketing, and this is the strategy that I will teach you in this video. Alright, the next step is to find a popular TikTok video that showcases a trending Amazon product that people really like. To begin, go to TikTok and search for a video featuring an Amazon product. Use keywords like TikTok made me buy it or Amazon finds to help you find relevant videos. Look for a video where someone talks about a product without any background narration. Once you spot the product, check out the comments section to see if people are expressing their love and desire for it. This feedback indicates that it's a product worth considering. After finding the video, copy the link and go to tickmate.online to download the TikTok video for free. Paste the link and download the video to your device. Next, open the downloaded TikTok video. To identify the product, take a screenshot using VLC, snipping tool, or your phone camera. Then, go to images.google.com and click on the camera icon on the search tab. Upload the screenshot and Google will find the product image for you. Look for the exact product name from the search results. Now that you have identified the product name, in this case it is dish brush with soap dispenser. Let's move on to the next step. The third step is to find the product from Amazon and get your affiliate link and some product information. Here's how you do it. Go to amazon.com and type in the product name that we got from Google. For example, if the product is dish brush with soap dispenser, search for it, and once you find the exact product featured in the TikTok video, click on it to view the details. Next, to get your affiliate link, you'll need to sign up for an Amazon affiliate account. I have a video tutorial on how to do this, which you can find in the description. After setting up your account, click on the text icon to copy the affiliate link. Then, open a Word document and paste the affiliate link. Next, copy the product description and paste it into the document. Also, download nice images of the product. Here's a key step. Many Amazon products come with demonstration videos that we can use without any copyright issues. So, click on the video and open it. It's a great product review video. Right-click on the video and choose Save Video As to download it. You may find similar videos at the bottom of the product page. Remember, one high-quality video is enough for a short video. Now, you have the affiliate link, product name, and description all saved in one Word file. Additionally, we have the video file here. That's all we need for now. So let's move on to the next step. The fourth step is to create a great YouTube short video. In this step, we need to use the TikTok video, along with the video and image files that we downloaded from the Amazon product page. This way, we can create original content for a YouTube video by adding value to make it unique and fresh. This method is a smart and simple way to produce a high-quality and engaging video without spending a lot of time or money. Here's a breakdown of the steps. First, go to bing.com and click on this icon, which will directly take you to the Bing chatbot. This AI allows you to use ChatGPT-4 for free. Then, open the Word document and copy the product name and description. Paste this information into the Bing chat prompt box. I've included a prompt in the description for you. Simply copy the prompt and paste it above the product details. This instructs Bing to create a creative and engaging short product review video. Script based on the Amazon product description in under 1 minute that convinces viewers to purchase the product. Click on Generate and wait for the AI to create the script for you. Once the script is generated, head to play.ht, a website that produces realistic AI voices. Sign up using your email address. After signing in, you will see a studio like this. To change the voiceover, click on this icon. Here, you have many AI voice characters to choose from. Let me demonstrate one of the AI voice sounds for you to listen to.
Hey there, this is Melissa from Amazon Customer Support. I hope I'm not catching you at a bad time. I was just calling to let you know about a special discount on a product you recently purchased.
Wow, the voice sounds very natural and real. Click on the voice character, then under the window, enable Apply to all paragraphs and click Confirm. Now that we've selected this character for our video, go to Bing Chat, copy the script and paste it into this prompt box. You can edit the script here as you wish. I've changed the introduction to be more direct and relevant to the video's content. Feel free to make any edits you want. Once you've customized the script, click on Generate and wait a few seconds for the voice to be created. Once our AI voice is generated, click on the download icon to download it. Now, gather all your files in one folder. For example, I have the Amazon video, the TikTok video, and the voiceover in one folder. Go to CapCut.com, an online free video editor. Sign up with your email address once you're there. After signing in, click on Create New, then select 9:16 for a mobile-sized vertical video suitable for YouTube Shorts. A video editing window will open. In this window, click on Upload and upload the video and voice files from your folder. Then, drag the voiceover to the timeline, then add the TikTok and Amazon videos to the timeline. Right-click on both videos in the timeline, select Separate Audio to detach the current audio from the video, and then delete the audio tracks. Edit the video by combining the TikTok and Amazon videos creatively. To split the video, click on the split icon over the video you want to separate. To resize the video, click on the video in the timeline and adjust its size like this. Split the video and select the best Amazon product review video segments that align with the voiceover. Remove any unnecessary parts of the video from the timeline like this. Finally, seamlessly combine both videos. At the end of the video, include a call to action text. Click on Text, go to the Text tab, select the Trending tab, choose this template, and add it to your timeline at the end of the video. Edit the text and write something like "Link in bio." Then adjust its placement above the product like this. Once you're done editing, click on Export, then select Download. Adjust the video quality and click Export. Wait a few seconds, then click on the Download tab to download the video like this. Here is the video that we have created, which is new, better, and more engaging.
Amazon Kitchen Finds Part 1. This genius dish brush has a built-in soap dispenser. With a light push of a button, it dispenses soap directly onto its durable nylon bristles. It's even safe for non-stick cookware. But that's not all. The holder neatly catches water drips and features a removable drip tray with a built-in pour spout. Plus, its non-skid base ensures it stays put. This is what you've been waiting for. Check out the link in the bio to get yours today.
All right, now let's move on to the next step. The fifth step is to add the product to your free store. Take a look at this content creator's store. They've added all their products in one place. We can make our store look even more professional than theirs. Head over to kit.co, a website where you can create a free store for your Amazon affiliate products. I've created a video showing you how to set it up. You can find the video link in the description. After creating your kit.co account, click on the plus icon, then select Create Kit. Enter the shop name as Best Amazon Products You Need in 2024 and include a brief description below it. For example, explore our top Amazon products for 2024. Find all your essentials in our store for the year ahead. Click Next after writing the description. In the link area, go to Amazon, select the product, click Text, then Full Link and copy the link. Paste the link in your kit store. Choose the product image and customize the title to make it catchy. Click Add to Kit, then View Kit to see the added product. As you can see, the product is stored in our kit. Now, I am going to guide you on how to add more products to your store. You can add as many products as you want. Start by clicking on the plus icon, then go to Amazon. Choose a product, just like I showed you before. Click on Text, then Full Link, and copy the link. Head back to your kit store, paste the link, and create a short title. Click Next, and you'll see your product added. I recommend not adding a product without creating a video. Always follow these steps. Create a product video for Amazon, and then add the product to your store. Next, let's change the background of your store. Visit Pexels.com, a free stock image and video website. Search for images related to shopping and find a suitable one. Then, download the image. Once you've downloaded the image, go back to your store and click on Add Cover Image. Upload the downloaded image from your computer, customize it, and click Apply. Your store will now look awesome. So, when someone makes a purchase from your store, you will receive a commission. Therefore, it is important to stay consistent and update your store daily. Alright, let's move on to the final step. In this step, we will focus on uploading the product video correctly on YouTube Shorts and identifying the best times to post on YouTube Shorts. To begin, go to youtube.com and navigate to your YouTube channel. If you don't have a YouTube channel yet, let me know in the comments and I will create a video guiding you on creating a YouTube channel from A to Z. Once on your YouTube channel, click on your profile icon, then select YouTube Studio. In the bar, scroll down and click on Customization. Then, click on Basic Info. Scroll down and in the Link tab, click on Add Link. Visit your kit.co store, click on the three dots, copy the link, and return to your YouTube channel. In the link section, name it something like Amazon Finds and paste the link of your kit.co store. This way, viewers can easily access the products you showcase in your videos. Always remind them that they can find the product links in your bio. It's important to note that YouTube Shorts comments and descriptions do not support hyperlinks to prevent spam and fraud on the platform. You can include links in the description of long-form content on YouTube, but not in YouTube Shorts. Now, let's upload the video correctly at the best time. Click on the plus icon, then Upload. Drag and drop the video you created into the window. When creating the title, consider something like Best Amazon Kitchen Gadgets You Need in 2024. In the description, make sure to include the exact words from your title. Additionally, include 3 hashtags, #shorts, #YouTube Shorts, and #Amazon Finds to boost visibility and engagement. To make your video more visible on YouTube, let's add some keywords or tags. In the tag section, include keywords related to Shorts and YouTube Shorts. Next, visit Rapid Tags, a website that helps generate popular keywords based on your video's title. Paste your title into the search bar on the website and click Search. Once the keywords are generated, copy them and go to YouTube. Paste the keywords into the tag section to optimize your video's visibility. As you can see here, the video that we created is copyright-free, as it is original and adds value to the content. In the visibility settings, schedule your video for the best time to reach your audience. The optimal times to post YouTube Shorts are between 6 p.m. and 10 p.m. on weekdays and between 12 p.m. and 6 p.m. on weekends. Let's schedule our video for the best time on February 28th at 7 p.m. After setting the time, click Schedule and your video will be posted at the designated time. Here's a game-changing tip for you. Start a brand new channel dedicated to Amazon content only. It's crucial to post daily for the next 30 days to show YouTube your commitment. Consistency is key to making your videos go viral, especially with this kind of content. Take it seriously because you never know when one of your videos might skyrocket and bring in a lot of money in just one day. Who's ready to give this method a try? Drop a me in the comments to show you're in. For more helpful tips and tricks on this topic, be sure to check out my playlist with tons of valuable information. Huge thanks to all you awesome viewers. Your support makes this video possible. If you found it helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like the video, and share it with your friends. Your support helps me create even better content for you in the future.